Did you know that businesses waste $37 billion every year on poorly managed PPC campaigns? That's right. Throwing money at ads without a strategy is like burning cash. But here's the good news. Hiring the right PPC manager can turn your ad spend into a profit machine. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find, vet, and hire a PPC manager who can skyrocket your ROI. Let's dive in. First things first. What exactly does a PPC manager do? A PPC manager is the expert behind your paid advertising campaigns. They handle everything from setting up campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and LinkedIn to optimizing them for maximum results. Their job includes conducting keyword research to target the right audience, writing high-converting ad copy, managing your ad budget to ensure you're getting the best return on investment, and analyzing data and tweaking campaigns to improve performance. In short, they're the secret weapon to making your ads work harder and smarter. Now, you might be thinking, can I just run my own ads? Sure you can, but here's why hiring a pro is worth it. Time savings. Running PPC campaigns is a full-time job. Do you really have the time to learn and manage it? Expertise. A skilled PPC manager knows the ins and outs of ad platforms, algorithms, and strategies that work. ROI boost. They'll optimize your campaigns to ensure you're not wasting money on clicks that don't convert. Stay updated. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook are constantly changing. A PPC manager stays on top of these updates so you don't have to. Bottom line. If you're serious about scaling your business, a PPC manager is a must-have. Before you start looking for a PPC manager, you need to know exactly what you're looking for. Ask yourself, what are my business goals? Is it lead generation, sales, or brand awareness? Which platforms do I need help with? Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, or all of the above? Do I need someone full-time, part-time, or freelance? What's my budget for hiring and ad spend? Having clear answers to these questions will help you narrow down your search and find the perfect fit. Now, let's talk about the skills your PPC manager must have. Platform expertise. Look for experience with the platforms you use, like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Microsoft Advertising. Certifications. Certifications like Google Ads or Facebook Blueprint are a big plus. Analytical skills. They should be able to analyze data and make data-driven decisions. Creativity. Great ad copy and visuals are key to standing out. Communication. They should be able to explain complex ideas in simple terms and provide clear reports. Pro tip. Ask for case studies or examples of past campaigns they've managed. This will give you a clear idea of their expertise. Once you've shortlisted candidates, it's time to ask the right questions. Here are some must-ask questions. Can you walk me through a successful campaign you've managed? This will show you their thought process and results. How do you handle a campaign that's underperforming? Look for problem-solving skills and adaptability. What tools do you use for keyword research and analytics? Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Google Analytics are industry standards. How do you stay updated with PPC trends and changes? This shows their commitment to continuous learning. What's your approach to managing a budget? You want someone who's strategic with your money. These questions will help you separate the pros from the amateurs. Finally, don't just take their word for it. Test their skills. Give them a small project or a hypothetical scenario and ask them to create a campaign strategy. This will give you a clear idea of how they think and whether they're the right fit for your business. While hiring, watch out for these red flags. No clear results. If they can't show you measurable results from past campaigns, steer clear. Overpromising. If they guarantee #1 rankings or instant results, they're likely exaggerating. Poor communication. If they can't explain their strategies clearly, it's a bad sign. No certifications or training. While not a deal breaker, it's a sign they might not be up to date with best practices. Remember, Hiring the wrong person can cost you time, money, and opportunities. And there you have it, your complete guide to hiring a PPC manager who can take your ads to the next level. Remember, the right hire can transform your ad spend into a revenue-generating machine. So, take your time, ask the right questions, and don't settle for less than the best. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. And if you've hired a PPC manager before, share your experience in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.